Hello, my name is Gustavo. I'm from Brazil. I am 21 years old. I have been studying production engineering, so soon I hope I'll be an engineer. I want to improve my English because I think my work in Brazil would be really helpful, because if I become fluent in English, I can help in meetings with people from other countries. Yeah, I've improved because my teachers that I had so far were really good. I'm learning things that I wouldn't learn if I were in Brazil, and also I'm learning about different cultures from all over the world. So after I graduate, I will return to Brazil and continue working there, studying, and hopefully my English will be better than when I arrived, and I will use for sure.